going down, everybody? Welcome back to Ray Keeps It Poppin'. No Funko Pops today. We got our pro wrestling loot box for the month of August. The monthly wrestling subscription. This one I believe is $24.95 a month. And it usually comes in a blue box. I'm not sure what's going on with these regular boxes. But you get a t-shirt, or 2 t-shirts, a pin, maybe a DVD, autographed 8x10, and a little wrestling figure, possible Chase variant. Let's just get into it. Alright. So, first thing, we got a Lucha mask. It looks like the American flag. We got a Lucha mask. It's like maybe a Patriot or something. I don't know. I'm not sure. Alright, we got a t-shirt here. The bright red t-shirt. Bam. Widow's Peak Freak. I'm not sure who that is. We'll have to look at the cheat sheet. Alright, what else we got? We got a pin. Who is the pin of? We got... Oh, Barry Horowitz. We got Barry Horowitz right there. Some of these pins are numbered here. Let's see if we got one that's numbered. And we didn't. Hopefully the wrestling figure that's in here, we got a chase. So I've gotten a few chases out of these boxes. It's pretty cool. Alright, get in there. Alright, so we got the Barry Horowitz pin. Alright, let's do this. The figure, we got Too Cold Scorpio. Fortunately, it's not the chase. Too Cold Scorpio. Alright, and then we got an 8x10 of... I have no idea who this is. But we have the certificate of authenticity right there. Alright, let's look at this. Alright, so the t-shirt. We got the t-shirt. This is Victoria. The Victoria t-shirt. Cool looking t-shirt. And Tessa Blanchard. So we got an autographed 8x10 from Tessa Blanchard right here. I have no idea who that is. We got a wrestling mask. This says RIP, R-I-P. I'm not sure what that is. You know, and then we got Too Cold Scorpio, Pint Size All-Star, and Barry Horowitz pin. I'm not too happy, not too thrilled with this box. There's really nothing I'm too excited about in here. You know, sometimes you get some stuff you like, sometimes you don't. We'll have to see what next month brings. I think they tell you what's coming next month. Nope, not in this one. But I will put the link below in the description for Pro Wrestling Loot. I'll put my Instagram. Check it out. Pretty cool company. They also sell like just autographs and t-shirts and stuff like that. So check them out. And that's it for this video. Hope everybody has a great day. And I'll catch you guys later. Peace.